kids. Today we will learn the letter I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I. This is letter I. This is yummy ice cream. Ice cream is sweet and cold. Kids love ice cream. Kids love ice cream. Say with me, kids. I for ice cream. Repeat after me. I for ice cream. Very good, kids. We learned letter I. See you in the next video. Bye bye.